Hey, good people, this is Arthur. So I got this question today, not today, actually it was yesterday. I'm in this, a couple of entrepreneurship groups on Facebook. And basically the question was, should I sell or should I be selling during this coronavirus? Right? And so the question was going around the room, everybody was having their answers. But when I thought about it, I really came down to a couple of things. And I want to just share this with you real quick, just in case you're struggling with it. So, should you be selling during this crisis? Before you can answer that, you got to answer a couple of questions. Why did you start your business? Did you start your business so that you can make money off of people? Or so that you can help people with a product or service that you came up with, right? You got to answer yes or no to that. 2, what are you charging? Are you charging what you feel is an outrageous amount for an outrageous amount of profit? Or do you believe you're charging a good amount for a good profit that that also provides value that the customer themselves will believe is worth the cost? All right? That's a big question. So I'll make it simpler. What you're charging, when the customers receive it, are they receiving more value than they're paying out? And you'll know this based on their reactions. This is a question that only you can answer. And then the last one, are you comfortable with selling? Right? If you struggle selling because you feel like it's a bad thing internally, then it's going to manifest itself, right? So you were struggling with selling in a good market. So now that we've got a crisis going on, it's making it even worse. So you got to ask yourself, do you believe that selling is a good thing? Do you believe that entrepreneurship is a good thing? Or do you secretly believe that it's bad, right? Now, if you do, it's not your fault, because every movie that we've ever seen paints the companies as the bad guy, then this small unknown person fights the company and then they win and they overcome and they save the day. But in reality, without commerce, a lot of people wouldn't be able to survive. If I had to, raise the cows, milk the cows, raise the chickens, make the chicken, if I had to make the clothes, then I'll have time to do what I'm supposed to be doing. So that's why people specialize in something. And then they sell those skills and goods so that they can serve the public and take care of their household. That's what entrepreneurship is. Now, granted, we got things like this where a guy buys up all the hand sanitizer in his city and in the neighboring states just so he can flip it. He's paid $1 for it, trying to sell it for $20. That makes entrepreneurship bad. But that's not you. If you're doing a really good thing for people, you should charge. Okay? Answer those 3 questions and let those answers guide you on what you should do in this season. But I will go ahead and tell you that selling when people need it at a good price is always the right thing to do. All right? That's it. See you soon.